Hello and welcome to this tutorial on how to block someone on Facebook on Android in 2023. In this video, we will guide you through blocking a person on Facebook step by step. To begin, open the Facebook app on your Android phone or tablet. You can find the Facebook icon on your home screen or app drawer and tap to launch the app. Once Facebook opens, use the search bar at the top of the screen to search for the person you want to block. Type in their name or username and tap the search button. From the search results, tap on the profile of the person you want to block to view their page. On their profile, notice 3 dots in the top right corner. Tap on these dots to see options like View As, Report, Block, and more. Select Block from the list of options. Blocking someone will prevent them from contacting you or viewing your profile and posts. A pop-up message will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Tap Block again to confirm blocking them. Your Facebook experience is now customized by blocking unwanted contact from this individual. They will be unable to search for your profile, send you messages, or tag you in posts and comments. In summary, blocking someone on Facebook on Android allows you to avoid interactions with them on the platform. By searching for a person, viewing their profile, noticing the block option, and confirming, you have restricted them from accessing your account. Please feel free to ask any questions you may have about blocking users, reporting suspicious behavior, or managing your privacy settings. We are here to provide helpful guidance on how to use Facebook features and enhance your experience. Remember to subscribe for additional useful content and tutorials. Thank you for watching. We appreciate you choosing our channel for advice and tips on navigating technology. Contact us if there's any other way we can support you in getting the most out of the tools in your digital life. Have a great day, everyone.